Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking energy. Talk about crude oil, volatile session. Crude oil getting all the way up to 71.35, breaking that high from a few days ago at 71.26. Then coming all the way off, going down to 70.25, finishing the day down about 0.5%, close to that 70.40 level in the WTI contract. A lot of it having to do with Russian production. There was a note out yesterday that recorded Russian production has now reached post-Soviet era highs. So that's somewhere in the range of 11.2 million barrels a day. Now that really sops up a lot of the excess that OPEC said they would add to the markets when they agreed to increase production again and sort of back off of the production cuts that had dominated the market a while back. Russia seems to have taken over most of that. President Trump also finally commenting on the report that OPEC, and specifically Saudi Arabia, is getting comfortable with crude oil around $80 a barrel. Obviously, President Trump doesn't want this. It's inflationary, could hurt the U.S. economy, and his tweet essentially consisted of him saying that the U.S. goes out of its way, financially and otherwise, to protect certain Middle Eastern countries that would not exist very long if we didn't do that. So that was viewed as a threat toward oil prices, specifically toward Saudi Arabia. It actually popped gold a little bit as well. So he was making a comment that he would like to see them increase production and cut oil prices. Oil fell a little bit after those comments. And then most of the times on Thursday, you're looking at the last big thing in oil to be the Baker Hughes rig counts on Friday, and that will matter. But keep in mind, as you trade oil the next couple of days, there is an OPEC meeting that includes Russia in Algeria on Sunday. We should be getting some headlines out of those, so you might see some position squaring as we get in later into the week. That might have had a little bit to do with that sort of back and forth price volatility that we saw today. This is Bob Iaccino talking about a down crude oil contract from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.